Hello my Sahi Queens. Today I am showing you a very colorful tutorial. I would have never in a million years used a blue and an orange eyeshadow together in the same look, but I think we did it in a way that is really classy, luxurious, and sophisticated. So if you're interested in seeing this beautiful look, stay tuned because we are jumping right in. Alright guys, let's get started. I went ahead and applied the Mystic Primer Serum all over my face liberally. This acts as a primer and a moisturizer. Next, I'm going to go in with some Sahi Cosmetics Skin Perfecting Elixir. I'm the shade N3. And I'm using 3 pumps for my entire face. Next, I'm going to go in and color correct my under eyes using this peach tone corrector. Next, I'm going to use our creamy under eye concealer in the shade Light, and I'm only going to use a little bit of this because it is a little bit lighter than the shade that I should be using. I should be using light medium, but I just like to go a little bit lighter than normal just to brighten it up. And then I'll set it with some translucent powder. Now that we have a base on our face, we're gonna go in and do our eyebrows. I'm using this Sahi Cosmetics Brow Pomade in the shade Deep Brunette. And I'm applying it liberally to both sides of my brush. Next, I'm taking the Sahi Cosmetics Felt Tip Liner and I'm going to line my eyes. Next, I'm going to take a burnt orange shade and start to buff out a little close to the line that I just created. Taking a clean fluffy brush, you just want to blend out the orange that we just put in. And if you're worried about the liner that we just dropped on, if you're using Sahi Cosmetics, it's smudge proof completely. So you can just work on top of that and it won't go anywhere. Now I'm going to go into a slightly browner shade and I'm going to go into my crease with that color. So, and again, taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to buff that out so it doesn't look so harsh. Take a clean brush and bring in a champagne color and pack it into the inner side of your eyelid. Take a little bit of our metallic foil eyeshadows from Sahi Cosmetics. This is the shade SHIMLA, and I'm just gonna take a very little amount on my pinky, and I'm gonna pack it on right where we put the other color, that lighter beige shadow. Can you see the difference that this makes in the shine from using regular eyeshadow versus using this? It just brings the eyes out so much more. It's a beautiful topper. Not all of our metallic foil shades are toppers only. A lot of them deposit pigment too. So the reason why this shade is universal is because you can use it on any eye look and it's just gonna make it look better. Doesn't matter which color you choose to go with for the eyeshadow underneath. You may have some fallout of glitter that gets onto the inner side of your eyeliner, so you can just touch it up really quickly with your eyeliner and layer it on top. Nothing's gonna happen. It's not gonna get gunky or anything like that. And that's it for the top of the eyelid. For the bottom, I want to bring a little bit more color in, and I think with my eyes, it would look really nice if I did a blue tone underneath. So I'm gonna get a nice tight brush that's gonna pack on color under my eyes. And I'm gonna pick up a blue shade, and I'm just going to line the bottom of my eyes with that. It's okay if this gets messy because we can smoke it out and it'll still look pretty cool. You're the half of my breathing when we just talked to the ceiling and never felt this high. Oh, it's looking so pretty. Oh, I love that. Okay, I'm really happy with how this look has turned out. I am gonna put on some lashes just for dramatic effect because right now I'm just trying out different looks that I might do for my wedding, which I don't know when it's gonna be. But it's just fun to, you know, do your own makeup and try to see what you might do with different outfits. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the lashes that I always put on from Amazon. I'm just cleaning off some of the glue. I'll link that in the description box, and everything that I use is gonna be linked in the description box, guys. While I'm at it, I might as well curl my lashes. I forgot to do that, so while I'm waiting for the glue to dry, let's just curl the lashes so they don't stick out from the big ones. I'm gonna hold them from the middle. That's the trick to putting lashes. Once you get it touching in the middle, then you fix the edges. First the outer, and then I just pick up the inner. Stick it right onto my lash line. And I don't stick it onto my lashes, guys. I'm putting it onto my skin right above where my eyeliner is, so it sort of seamlessly connects. Alright, I'm gonna go in with some contour, and I'm just using the powder because I'm not looking to do a heavy contour. I'm just staying at home today doing nothing. So I'm not gonna reinforce it with any cream bronzer. Next, I'm using my all-time favorite rose gold blush. It's a baked blush. Lastly, I'm just gonna top off the face with some highlighter. I'm using Wet n Wild. I'm using liquid lipstick in the shade Alia. And I'm topping just a little bit of Katrina on top while it's still wet. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I had fun doing it. It's a pop of color. It is a very gloomy day here in Michigan, and I just felt the need to bring some color onto my face. I, like many people, I'm really afraid to do too much color. I don't think that it's wearable on a day-to-day basis. So this is a really great way to dabble in doing multiple bright colors on your face, blending it out to make it a really, really beautiful, luxurious, classy look. I would have never thought to do a burnt orange and a blue eyeshadow look like this, but I think it turned out really nice and classy. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell notifications because I post every single week, twice a week, every single Wednesday and Saturday. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Until next time, bye.